Welcome. Today I'll explore Constellation Brands, examining its valuation, competitive landscape, and market trends. My goal is to determine if now presents a compelling investment opportunity. I'm Peter Kocharek. I've spent over a decade exploring the stock market, from swing trading and building trading automations to my passion for company valuation. I share my trades, insights, and investment ideas transparently with one clear goal: to beat the S&P 500, which I've tracked since 2020. Constellation Brands offers a premium portfolio including market leaders like Modelo and Corona. It appears deeply undervalued, trading significantly below fair value. Even Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway holds a stake, reflecting confidence in its long-term potential. Their average price is $205, much higher than current stock price on $133. Interesting fact is that Modelo is the #1 selling beer in the US. Let's dive into the numbers and compare Constellation Brands against its peers. We'll examine key valuation metrics to understand its position in the market relative to other major players. The displayed metrics are suggesting that the current stock price of $133 USD is well below the fair level. Constellation Brands has a forward PE of 11, while competitors trade at higher forward PEs. It suggests the market is valuing Constellation Brands more cheaply relative to its expected earnings. In simple terms, the market expects less growth or more risk from Constellation Brands than its competitors, or it could be a hidden opportunity if those concerns are overstated. A crucial metric is the price to fair value, which stands at 0.59 for Constellation Brands. This highlights a substantial 40% undervaluation, presenting a potential deep value opportunity for investors. Analysts also see significant upside. The consensus target price for Constellation Brands suggests it could be undervalued by approximately 31%, reinforcing the potential for capital appreciation. Constellation Brands is making higher buybacks than peers because it generates strong cash flow from its beer business and sees its shares as undervalued. So repurchasing stock is an efficient way to return value to shareholders. This also signals confidence in the company's future performance. Constellation Brands demonstrates strong operational efficiency. It boasts the highest operating margin among its peers at 33.4% and a robust 20.6% free cash flow margin, indicating excellent cash generation. Constellation Brands has high debt, mainly because it has financed large acquisitions and investments, most notably expanding its US beer portfolio and making significant stake in Canopy growth. These deals were mostly funded with borrowing rather than equity to avoid diluting shareholders. The company maintains a healthy financial structure. Its free cash flow comfortably covers interest payments and debt, while a total shareholder yield of 5% reflects a commitment to returning value. The market is evolving with younger consumers drinking less, but there's a clear shift towards premium brands. Constellation Brands' Mexican beer portfolio, like Modelo and Corona, is gaining significant US market share. The Canopy deal was meant to give Constellation Brands an early lead in cannabis, but instead it became a cash-burning, loss-making venture that forced them to take big accounting losses and is widely seen as one of its strategic missteps. Every investment has risks. For Constellation Brands, I consider leverage, past cannabis investment losses, changing consumption habits, and potential regulatory shifts. These are important to monitor. Despite risks, the strengths are compelling. Significant undervaluation, powerful brands like Modelo and Corona dominating the market, and strong free cash flow enabling shareholder returns. Considering the compelling value, strong brand power, robust cash generation, and stake of Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway on significantly higher level, Constellation Brands presents an attractive value and growth play with manageable risks. I'm entering the trade on $133 USD per share with planned exit on $159 USD. That concludes my analysis on Constellation Brands. I hope this gave you useful insights into both the opportunities and risks. I'll continue to monitor the market and share updates on my positions or new opportunities. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments.